Howdy and welcome students to your Math A211 course. This is Math for Elementary School Teachers. I love this course. I'm super passionate about this course and I hope you have a really good time learning how to teach elementary school children how to do math. You are their very first experience in mathematics and you kind of lay the groundwork, the foundation for everything that they're going to do for the rest of their lives. So I feel like your job is one of the most important in a student's mathematical career. I'm going to ask you to check your announcements at least twice a week would be good so that we can communicate. I'll be sending you emails. That's the best way to communicate with me is through email. I'll get right back with you, usually within 24 hours is what I shoot for, even quicker than that if I can. So I want you to start with the Start Here section of your Blackboard course. This will give you all the information that you need in getting set up to work with this course and be successful. Now I want you to notice that you're going to need the Webassign Access. With that Webassign Access, you'll get an ebook. You can choose a printed textbook if you like, but it's not necessary because the ebook does come with your Webassign Access. Next, you'll see your Webassign key. This is how you'll get into my course. Also, there's my email address. Get that locked in and start communicating with me ASAP. You'll see the discussion board. I've introduced myself to you, put up a few pictures just so that you can get to know me and then I can get to know you and we can all get to know each other because that's what a class is all about, is getting to know each other and learn from each other. I am super excited to do Blackboard Collaborates with you, so if you need any help on anything, we can get either a private session, which is just like coming to my office, or we can do a public collaborate, which means that we'll invite the entire class. And those of you that are available, come on to the class. If not, we'll record the session and you'll be able to see what we talked about if you can't go. These Blackboard Collaborates are totally optional. You'll have 2 exams that you will need a proctor for. So 2 exams you'll need a proctor for and then 2 exams that are kind of take-home exams. I like to do this thing called a check-in, and what a check-in is you let me know what trouble you're having with the content, what can I do to help you learn more in this course, or just any sort of question that you may have. Just check in with me, let me know how things are going, let me know how things are going in your life. And so that we can make it so that you can best be successful in this course. So there's your Start Here list, and then you'll be ready to start the course after you complete all of this checklist. Getting back up to the front here, the syllabus is next. Print off a copy, just click this, print off a copy of your syllabus, and be sure and read it thoroughly. Next, after you've done the Start Here and you've read through the syllabus, have a copy of your syllabus printed out and sitting there next to you. You can take the Start Here quiz. And that just ensures that you got the information out that you need to begin the course. You'll see my office hours here. I'm located on the Kenai River campus in Soldotna, Ward Building 225. You'll see my office hours here. I'll be in my office. You can call me on my office phone. Also, you can call my cell phone. That's probably my preferred method, is to call me on my cell phone. And then I'll be available on Sundays from 11 to 1. So if you need any help, you're working on your homework, all homework's due on Sundays at midnight. So that's why I have my virtual office hours then. So if you're needing help, you'll know you can probably reach me pretty quickly within an hour or 2. Next, we have your different assignments. When you would like to go to Webassign, you just click this. It'll take you to Webassign, which is an internet site outside of Blackboard. You don't have to use this button if you don't want to. You can just type Webassign in your URL and it'll take you there. This is one of your first assignments. It's a TED Talk that I would like you to listen to, think about, mull over, and then make some comments on. And I have specific questions that I want you to answer with that as well. And after that, you'll see your different video projects and the documents that are that tell you what to do for those different projects. Blackboard Collaborate. When we do have a Blackboard Collaborate, you will have to download Blackboard Collaborate if you haven't done so already, and it does take a few minutes. But you just email me if we have a Collaborate session and you're late. It's really okay. Just come on in. I'll be right there waiting. The materials needed in this course are your Webassign Access. A handheld calculator will also be handy. You don't have to use it, but it is handy on a couple of the tests. I don't allow that for test 2, but it is allowed for the other. You'll notice here's your discussion board for them and your discussion board for your TED Talk and those questions that you need to answer for that. This is where my videos are located. So for section 1, you would click and watch this video. It takes you to a YouTube channel that I have, and you'll get to listen to my lecture, and I'll work quite a few examples. I even go into the homework and work some homework problems for you. So if you have any additional questions on any of the homework, be sure and ask me. I will send you hints. I'll send you solutions, and I'm just here to help. You let me know how I can help you, and if you don't email me and let me know, then I don't know that you're needing help. So email me. Keep in contact. That's what I love, is to help the students learn this material. All right, just a quick run through of the syllabus. I think one of my favorite pages would have to be right here. Here's your late work policy. Be sure and email me if you happen to be late with something. I am totally okay with extending due dates for you. You don't want to get behind. Getting behind is detrimental in this course because we just keep on keeping on. There's a total of 1,000 points in this course, and here's how those points are distributed. And your grading scale is, you get 900 of those points, you get an A. You get 800 of those points to 899, you get a B, and so forth. This is probably one of the most important pieces to the syllabus. It gives you all the due dates and the points. I would have this printed off and sitting next to me so that you knew when everything was due. All right, well, that's all that I have for you. And if you have any more questions, be sure and email me. And also be sure and email me to let me know what you think of everything. And if you have any questions, let me know that too. And y'all have a wonderful day.